ఆరోగ్యమస్తు కార్యక్రమానికి మీ అందరికీ స్వాగతం. మనతో పాటు డాక్టర్ మించుల్ గారు ఉన్నారు. ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ సార్, nowadays so many people suffering with anger also. The anger comes suddenly and more damage at mind level. How to control the anger? Please explain me.
See, all the anger has a kind of the reason. But right now, in the too much stress, because of lack of stress management, suddenly people cannot manage their emotion. Anger is a category of the emotion. But how anger is come in the character of the Trojan, anger is exposure. And this showing up, and this suddenly appear, the sudden changes, which is a kind of the heteromudras category. So meaning is, we're going to push down and then sedation hetero energies. So like a push down in the sum, and then
like
after
this.
that, yes, when energy is pushed down to that, we need to like a harmonization and management of force. At the time, we are touching the harmonization energies, which is a neutral finger.
Okay, like this.
Yes, in that you making in that way you can calm down your anger. You can control the anger.
Sir, how many times the people can do this daily or
Not
each time?
You
Which time
don't
is
need to in the
preferable?
daily when you is anger is coming down.
Oh,
your emotion
that
is
moment.
couldn't control in that moment. You can take this mudra,
Okay.
and make a sound about 3 seconds to 10 minutes. It's up to that, up to your anger is calm down. But while you this one, your anger will be controlled.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మనకేంటంటే మనం అడగడం జరిగింది ముద్రా థెరపీ ద్వారా మంత్రా థెరపీ ద్వారా కోపాన్ని ఏ విధంగా తగ్గించుకోవచ్చని. దానికి వారు మనకు ముద్రా థెరపీ ద్వారా చక్కటి పరిష్కారం చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఇంకా కొన్ని విషయాలు వారి మాటల్లో మనం అడిగి తెలుసుకునేటువంటి ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. సార్, ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ హౌ the sujok used to Indian people, especially. Please tell me.
Sujok is generally in the helpful for all the human being. But it says, I'm going to telling about in the benefit and the advantage about the sujok.
Okay.
Sujok is easy to learn.
Oh.
Everyone can learn, even the small children. My son is around 5 years old. He can learn this sujok. That much easy. And then sujok is result is very fast. And so mainly we are in the most stronger part is a pain management part.
Oh.
All the disease, all the illness, many of the disease and illness has a symptom of the pain. So when remove the pain, management of the pain, this patient relief is a lot. So sujok is one of the strong part is the pain management. Of course, not only the pain management, we have the diabetes treatment and hypertension treatment, and then so many relatives of diseases treatment. But in the one of the strongest part and the easy to learn part is a pain management. And then sujok treatment is a very simple and then easy to approaching, so cost effective. So sujok is a very economical treatment, we can say. Of course, material level, it is a very economical. You can use any of the material surrounding you, like a chopstick. I don't know Indian people using a chopstick or not. Yeah, chopstick. You can use your finger directly, and then a lot of the grain, your seeds, you can use. So in those kind of thing is people could directly using for the understand sujok and then applying on your hand. So in the wise, as I understand, India has 7 lakh villages. 7 lakh villages, they not in the sufficient about the medical support. Because that in the government they need to do something. Our sujok every year about more than 900 free treatment camp we are doing. So in that way, our many in the sujok therapists is visiting villages. They are helping. They are teaching and then treat them. So this kind of thing is what in the sujok India, ISA India is practicing right now. And then since of the 1991, we're doing a lot of the free activity to visit the villages and then helping a lot of people, as well as giving the free education also.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మనకేంటంటే ముఖ్యంగా మన భారతీయులకు సుజోగ్ ద్వారా ఎంత వరకు లాభమని మనం అడగడం జరిగింది. దానికి ఏంటంటే మించుల్ పార్క్ గారు ముఖ్యంగా ఏం చెప్పారంటే సుజోగ్ థెరపీ చాలా సింపుల్, మన ఇంట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి విత్తనాలు ఇవే వాడుకొని మన సమస్యలను మనం తగ్గించుకోవచ్చు, ఇది భారతీయులకు చాలా ఉపయోగకరంగా ఉంటుందని వారు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఎందుకంటే విలేజెస్లలో చాలామంది సఫర్ అవుతున్నారని, వాళ్ళు సఫర్ అయ్యేటువంటి ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నిటినీ కూడా పెయిన్ ఫ్రీ సొసైటీ అనేటువంటి లక్ష్యంతో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సుజోగ్ అసోసియేషన్ ఇండియాలో పనిచేస్తుందని వారు ముఖ్యంగా చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఇంకా కొన్ని విషయాలు వారిని అడిగి తెలుసుకునేటువంటి ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాము. సార్, ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ హౌ టు లర్న్ ది సుజోగ్ థెరపీ.
Yes, right now in India there is more than 200 official lecturers in India, according to the ISA, and they trained well by the ISA. So you can either visit our website www.sujok.com, and then you can see all the lecturers' information, and then you can either request about the lecture, and then we could in the form of we have the education system. We have an education system of the non-professional people,
okay,
which is a housewife, and then just a layman.
Okay, housewives also learn easily.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because that housewife is a very important role in the house. They are not only preparing of food, they are taking care of the families.
Yes, yes.
And then this family member have the sick and there's some small problem. If housewife learn this one, they could help themselves. This another ways, then there is medical expenses.
Yes, yes, sir.
They can easily reduce by the sujok. Another one is a semi-professional, which is who in the working in the like a charity, in the work and the social work. Those people is like not only how to serve the society. Education is one of the very well. So in those people in learning sujok and then delivering the village in other place in giving the lecture how to managing your health yourself. So those people are semi-professional people, and professional people is a medical background people. Even they learn all the medical in the background, they are practicing. They people all the time wanted to upgrade. What is a new therapy I could giving the serve to the society and serve to my patients. Sujok is one of the good tool to learn and then giving the treatment on the patient.
For medical background people also it is more useful.
Exactly. Because they already know about this full medical knowledges in anatomy and physiology. Also they have the experience of how to see the patient.
Yes.
The thing is, some of the patients, some of in the disease is very difficult to manage it. So when they learning of the new methods, and if they understand this method is used for something, then their practice is going to be very, very successful and useful.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మనం ఏంటంటే ఈ సుజోగ్ థెరపీ ఏ విధంగా నేర్చుకోవాలి, దానికి గల అవకాశాలు ఏంటి అని మనం అడగడం జరిగింది. దానికి ఏంటంటే మనకు భారతదేశం అంతటా కూడా 300 మంది ఆథరైజ్డ్ లెక్చరర్స్ ఉన్నారని, వారి ద్వారా సుజోగ్ మనం నేర్చుకోవచ్చని వారు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. దీంట్లో ఏంటంటే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ ఉంది అని కూడా వారు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఈ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ ద్వారా ఏంటంటే హౌస్ వైఫ్స్ కూడా ఈ థెరపీ నేర్చుకోవచ్చని, దాని తర్వాత జనరల్గా వర్క్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు కూడా ఈ థెరపీ నేర్చుకొని వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీని హెల్తీగా ఉంచుకోవచ్చని, దాని తర్వాత మెడికల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో ఉన్నటువంటి మెడికల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అనుకోండి, మెడిసిన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటువంటి వాళ్ళు కూడా ఈ థెరపీ నేర్చుకోవడం ద్వారా చాలామందికి సోషల్గా సహాయకరంగా ఉంటుందని వారి మాటల్లో వారు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. మరికొన్ని విశేషాలు మనం వారి ద్వారా తెలుసుకునేటువంటి ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాము. సార్, యూ లాంచ్డ్ ఏ యాప్, సుజోక్ యాప్. Please tell me about that app, sir.
Yes, our organization has developed one Sujok application, and then when you go to the Google, you can download this application. It's totally free. Where we designed about the Rhine's more than 300 videos, how to deal, how to managing your health, how to managing your problem, and then we are delivering every day one videos. You can see in the video yourself following the video, you can manage yourself about, for example, headache. You can searching and then you can see the video how to managing headache. For example, you have some like a lower back pain. You can search in this application. You can see the video how to managing your lower back pain. In such wise, we have our in the research team of the medical doctor are keep developing out the many of the videos and then we are uploading. As well as there is some is like a medical in the knowledges. Many people want to know what is this disease name and the disease is a reason and something kind of some kind of the information. We also keep uploading of the medical terminologies and the medical information. So you can search all kind of medical support. Right now we are working on this. This app is started very recently. We have around 300 videos and then around 400 articles.
Oh.
But right now we are keep updating. Our target is 200 to 20,000 videos.
Oh.
As well as keep updating of the whole in the medical article and then information in our application. For the helpful people, they could searching all the medical information through our application. This is our aim to about our application. Of course, this application free of charge. You can download freely. There is no limit of the use. You can use any moment time, anytime. Yes.
Okay, this is so good, sir, because only you have one mobile, you can treat yourself. Nowadays, every family have the mobile. This is more useful for all families, sir.
Exactly. So in there is, some kind of diseases they cannot share with others.
Yes, yes.
So they are looking for some kind of medical information platform. So this application very useful for that. Some disease you don't want to share, you can find it yourself, you can treat yourself. And after that also we can give advice to connected to the practitioners also.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మనకేంటంటే సుజోక్ థెరపీకి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఒక యాప్ ఉంది అన్నమాట, ద సుజోక్ అని. అది లాంచ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. వారి మాటల్లో వారు చెప్పింది ఏంటంటే ఈ యాప్ ద్వారా ఏంటంటే మనం దాన్ని మనం డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవడం ద్వారా ఏంటంటే మనకు వీడియోస్ అన్నీ కూడా ఉంటాయి. మన సమస్య ఏంటి అనేది దాంట్లో టైప్ చేస్తే ఆ సమస్యకు మనం ఏం చేసుకోవాలనేది ఆ వీడియో ద్వారా ఆ యాపే చూపిస్తుంది అనమాట. అంటే మనం ఇంట్లో కూర్చొనే మన సమస్యలు తగ్గించుకోవచ్చు. చాలా ఉపయోగకరమైన యాప్. దాని తర్వాత ఇది పూర్తిగా ఉచితమని చెప్పి వారి మాటల్లో వారు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. Sir, please tell me what is present activities of International Sujok Association in India, sir?
Yes, present is we are still doing a lot of the free treatment camp and then free lecture also, as well as is allowed in proper education activity as well. But this year is our 30 years anniversary.
Oh.
So we're going to in the big activity in March. And the activities meaning is we are inviting around 45 foreign doctors which are doing the Sujok to the India, and then with them is we going to the free treatment camp. There's one camp in the Nagpur around the 10th and 11th. Okay. And the second free treatment camp in the Mumbai and the 15th and 16th. Okay. At that time we're going to work with the Maharashtra Nursing Council together and then some of the government to help. We're going to have the opening of free treatment camp, and what we are thinking about more than 100 Indian practitioners also participating.
Okay.
As well as around 45 foreign doctors.
Okay.
And then when the big is a free treatment camp we are organizing, we are planning. Okay. Another activities, one of these important activities is this is a second international Sujok International Conference. We call SIC 2017. It's going to is happening in the Rajkot, and then date is 18th and 19th 2 days. Okay. During 2 days there is 6 in the major in the subject, which is like for example about neurology, and then about food consciousness, as well as hypertension, and so on. Those kind of 6 in the major new in the subject and the new in the technique is learning by the foreign doctors and the well-known doctor from the India. As well as there is a paper presentation. It's according to in the Sujok field, there's a lot of practitioners having amazing and successful in the cases. We are selecting a few practitioners on the stage and then sharing their experience and their treatment. So this is happening in the 2017 March 18th and 19th in Rajkot. I would recommend many of the practitioners, not only the Sujok practitioners, come to see and then what is new happening in the field of Sujok and then learning new techniques.
Okay, sir, tell me why in the March you are taking more activities in every year in March? What is the specialty of the March? Tell me, sir.
Yeah, exactly. It's a good question. In the March is for us a very meaningful moment, meaningful months actually. In the March is a founder of the Professor Park. He born in March. He passed in the March. So because in the March every year we're doing a lot of activity. For example, 2014, we're giving a free treatment camp and the free lectures. At that time we are distribute around 15,000 certificates.
Oh.
So that is all the practitioners and the lecturers working on it. This is we're giving 2 days of free lectures. And then 2015 we're giving a free treatment camp. In the months of the March we're having a lot of the practice and a lot of free treatment camp. So this is especially 30 years anniversary of the Sujok. So because we are bringing the many foreign doctors and then bringing to the India in working and celebration is together.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మనకేంటంటే మన భారతదేశంలో సుజోక్ యొక్క యాక్టివిటీస్ ప్రజెంట్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయని మనం అడగడం జరిగింది. దాంట్లో ఏంటంటే ముఖ్యంగా ఈ మార్చ్లో ప్రొఫెసర్ బర్త్డే సందర్భంగా ఏంటంటే ఫ్రీ క్యాంప్స్ ఉన్నాయి నాగ్పూర్లో అని వారు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఆ విధంగానే ముంబైలో కూడా 100 మంది మన భారతదేశంలో ఉన్న థెరపిస్టులు, ఆ విధంగానే 45 మంది ఫారిన్ డాక్టర్స్తో హెల్త్ క్యాంప్స్, ఫ్రీ హెల్త్ క్యాంప్స్ నిర్వహిస్తున్నామని వారు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. దాంతోపాటు ఏంటంటే SIC 2017 అనేది జరుగుతుంది అని వారు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. సార్, ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ the SIC 2017, which place you are organizing in India?
We are organizing in the Rajkot this time. There is the big development happened in the Rajkot. Might be many people aware about the Vibrant Gujarat Summit.
Oh.
ISA applied in the project in the proposal letter to our activity in the Vibrant Gujarat Summit, and then Gujarat government accepted and approved our project. So it was happening in the good thing in the Gujarat. So we decided SIC 2017 in the Rajkot.
Sir, please tell me, you are traveling all over world, and what is your experience in other countries and compared to India? What is Indian environment? Please tell me your experience.
Yes. Every year and then I'm traveling many countries, not only the India, Russia, Serbia, Bulgaria, Romania, and Cyprus, Israel, and then Kazakhstan, and the UK.
Okay.
And those countries I'm traveling. And then there is which is a Sujok practitioner practicing. And so far 3 countries has accepted Sujok as their government medical system: Russia, Serbia, and Romania. Right now in the India we are approaching into this recognition process. Okay. What is the differences of the India and other countries? Indian people are very enthusiastic.
Okay.
They like to learn. They like to helping others. So this is exactly same aim with the Sujok. We want to teach. We want to helping others. So because that Sujok at India is spreading very fastly, and then also there is a very good-hearted people are support Sujok as well as support their people in the Indian people. So this is some differences. Also other countries they helping others, but Indian is maximally they are practicing is helping society. This is really I appreciate to our Sujok people in India.
Sir, in foreign countries, how many countries take as a main medicine Sujok?
Yeah, as just I said, there's 3 countries in the Russia,
okay,
Romania, and Serbia. Those countries already accepted Sujok as their medical system.
Okay.
And especially in the Russia case, in the Russian army, they are taking Sujok as one of the treatment modality.
Oh.
So their army in the medical system, they are now including the Sujok to their medical treatment system.
మనకేంటంటే ప్రపంచ దేశాలకు మన భారతదేశంలో ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళకి తేడా ఏంటంటే వారు చక్కగా విషయం చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి భారతదేశ ప్రజలందరూ కూడా ఈ థెరపీని చాలా బాగా ఆదరిస్తున్నారు. దాని తర్వాత వాళ్ళకి ఏంటంటే ఆ సర్వీస్ ఓరియంటెడ్ యాక్టివిటీ ద్వారా ఏంటంటే చాలామందికి వాళ్ళ సర్వీసెస్ కూడా ఇస్తున్నారని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఆ విధంగానే ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా 3 దేశాలు ఈ సుజోక్ థెరపీని మెయిన్ మెడిసిన్గా తీసుకున్నాయని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. సార్ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ ఫైనల్లీ, Professor Park started with Sujok therapy, hand and foot system, and finally the smile meditation, smile yoga, and like this, so many spiritual therapy systems came in our Sujok system. Please explain about that part.
Yes, Professor Bach is after developed of the Trojan theory, and then he developed the smile meditation. And there's some stories. When he just stay in the Jaipur, one day morning he went out opened the door.
In India?
Yeah, in India, in Jaipur. And then he is listening one sound is calling the smile and smile. After he is thinking what is the meaning of the smile, suddenly this sound is coming. And this moment he is started developing and study in the meditation. And then finally he found the smile meditation. A smile is one of expression of the perfection. So when is someone who exists in the world, this meaning they are already perfect. I'm in the lecture, I'm asking a lot of people, are you perfect? People say, no, there's no perfection. But in the theory of the Professor Bach, without the perfection, people cannot exist. Without perfection, all the phenomena cannot exist. So thing is, smile meditation is make people to aware their perfection because you are existence. So that by that is a professor wanted to spread this message to the whole world. And then is as well as he want to create a smile civilization, which is everyone aware their self is the perfect.
I heard something, sir. When Professor came India that time, he visited Haridwar and Himalayas like that. Please explain for our viewers
and
that.
Professor was traveled all around India. At that time, coincidentally, he visited the Haridwar and then he went to some temple. He was looking for answer of the Kundalini. What is meaning of the Kundalini? He was looking for that Kundalini, and then he visited one temple, and then he was meeting with the one Swamiji. And then there are 2 people I went in the forest and the meditation together. And then when they came out, in that moment the professor during the meditation he stand and then he spoke, I thank you so much, I understand what is a Kundalini. And after that he finished the Trojan theory. So it was a conclusion and then completion about the smile Trojan theory was happening in India. So this is India is for us quite important country.
Sir, finally, where is our global headquarter? Please explain that, sir.
Yeah, used to Sujok global headquarter was in the Russia, Moscow.
Okay.
And then after Professor Bach passed away, when I becoming a global president of the ISA in the Sujok, I need to proper communication and then I need to work more actively. So there's a lot of Indian people is a good communication with me and then they very big enthusiasm. So because I shifted in the global headquarter from Russia to India, and right now we have the R&D center in the Nagpur. There's our headquarter. There is around about 40 people's accommodation facility, and then right now we are building up the 90 people's about the lecture room, and there's a 3 in the treatment in the chamber. And then and the research is the facility also there.
And the charity work also running in.
Exactly. Every in the daytime we giving as a charity in the treatment. And that there is a lot of people in the coming in the visiting and they getting a treatment by the Sujok. So this is since about the 2013 and then continuously we are doing these activities in our R&D center in Nagpur.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మనం అడగడం జరిగింది ఈ గ్లోబల్గా మెయిన్ హెడ్ క్వార్టర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది అని. దానికి ఏంటంటే ఇంతకుముందు మాస్కోలో ఉండేది ప్రొఫెసర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే దాన్ని ఇండియాకే తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది. నాగ్పూర్లోనే హెడ్ క్వార్టర్ ఉందని, అక్కడే రీసెర్చ్ అండ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ సెంటర్ ఉందని, ఉదయం పూట చారిటీగా ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ అనేవి జరుగుతాయని వారి మాటల్లో వారు చెప్పడం జరిగింది. సార్, ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ ఫైనల్లీ వాట్ you want to tell message to people?
Yes. Sujok. Sujok is one of the well-designed therapy. And then Sujok is easy to learn and easy to practice. We want to make a pain-free society in India. And then we want to help a lot of people. So because that Sujok exists, our main thing, pain-free society as well as Sujok for everybody. Thank you very much, everyone.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్నటువంటి చాలా విషయాలు, సుజోక్ థెరపీకి సంబంధించినటువంటి చాలా విషయాలు, హెల్త్ రిలేటెడ్ చాలా ఇష్యూస్ మీరు చాలా మీ యొక్క విలువైనటువంటి సమయాన్ని వెచ్చించి మీరు భారతదేశానికి వచ్చి మా వ్యూవర్స్కు చాలా మంచి సలహాలు సూచనలు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. నమస్కారం అండి. ఇదండి ఈ వారం ఆరోగ్యమస్తు కార్యక్రమం. తిరిగి వచ్చే వారం మళ్ళీ కొత్త కార్యక్రమంతో మనం కలిసేటువంటి ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. నమస్కారం.